This Stansport Heavy-Duty Swivel Grill is constructed from high-quality steel and designed for cooking over an open campfire. To set up, start by using your foot to push the foothold of the stake post into the ground vertically. Do this until the post is standing on its own. Next, use a rubber mallet to put the stake post further in until the footholds are level to the ground. Unlock the locking post clip, set it to the desired level, and lock into place. Next, unlock the locking clip connected to the grill top. Set the slider on the post until it touches the locking post clip and lock it into place. To give you all of the versatility you need when cooking over a fire, we've designed this model with an adjustable grill that can move up and down from 3 inches to 15 inches for optimizing cooking temperatures based on the size of your fire. The grill also swivels 360 degrees around for easy accessibility when cooking over an open fire. Whether you are headed out to the campsite, on an RV trip, barbecue, or picnic, this heavy-duty swivel grill is the perfect accessory to elevate your outdoor cooking experience.